To thread the sewing machine, first you need to take off the cover, place it on the back of your chair. To get the thread take up in the highest position, we need to go to the hand wheel on the side here and just turn towards us until it gets up there as high as it can go, which is right there. We also need to ensure that the machine is turned off, which means it needs to be pointing right down to the bottom here. Take your reel of thread and place it on the thread pin. Grab the end of your thread and place behind this guide here. And it will take the thread through. Then we need to go down this guide here and we go underneath this guide here and then up, and then this part here is a bit tricky, but we need to go right to the back on the right side and then bring it down forward so that it now, if we have a look, if we just bring that forward, you can see it's going through that little hole there. And we need to get this thread and put it behind this little thread guide right here and do the trickiest part, which is thread the thread through the eye of the needle. Got it. Now I've got my top thread threaded, so we can see it goes from here. It goes down through the thread guide. It goes down under this thread guide and up through that little hole, down behind that thread guide just there, and in through the eye of the needle. Now we're going to thread the bottom thread. So to do that, we need to make sure first that our presser foot is lifted up. We need to open up the bobbin compartment and take out the bobbin case. We can use this little handle and pull it out like that. Okay, so we take a bobbin with cotton on it. We place it inside the bobbin case. We grab a thread from the end of it. We put the thread through that little crack there. Pull it underneath this metal plate and through the middle there. To ensure that it's in correctly, we just hold the bobbin case on the sides and pull the thread, and it should turn the bobbin around. Then we need to get the bobbin case with this arm facing upwards and place it inside the bobbin compartment. And you should hear the click. If it's locked in position, that's correct. We don't want it to be moving around. Once the bobbin case has been put into the bobbin compartment, you need to just loosely hold the top thread with your left hand. Then you turn the hand wheel towards you until the thread guide comes all the way back up to the top. And then when that's done, just gently tug and you should see a little loop come up from the bottom. Okay, if you just pull that loop through, then it will come from the bottom, and now it's coming from up here. Okay, and then now you can move those to the side and close the bobbin compartment, and you've got both your threads up the top where they should be, ready to sew.